This is Canva hack number 5. It is a pro feature. If you do not have Canva Pro, this is one of the reasons why you need it. Oh, sorry. All right. I think the majority of the time of what I use Magic Grab for is I will make AI images, and of course AI adds, whatever it wants. And I was like, yeah, maybe I just don't want that in there, or I just don't like it, or whatever. I bring it to Canva. Now, this cute, 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 cute. But I don't need 2 checklists, and this is just an example. I am going to click on the image. I'm going to go up here to the floating menu above the design, and I'm going to click the edit, and I am going to go through the Magic Studio, and I'm going to grab Magic Grab right here. Now you can brush or click. I like to click. I will try click first. And if it's not clicking on anything, then I'll do brush. So click, and it's going to scan everything. And I am going to click on this one and see if it pulls. Yep, there we go. It gives me a choice to duplicate it or delete it. Guess what? We're going to delete this. And so that seems but there's still a little room right there, right? What if you find something that you want to put there, go for it, or you could just grab one of these other things. This is just examples. So we are going to click again, and let's do the light bulb. Now see how it just did that, right? So if I want all of this, oh, it's not going to let me. Then what I do is I go over to the brush. I go down a little bit. Okay, I'm going to go down a little bit more. I'm going to go boom, 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 boom. Boom. Let's see what it does. My lines are not good, but we'll see. Duplicate. Look at that. As perfect as the other one, but kind of, yeah, yeah, not bad. There, Canva hack, Magic Grab. Now, I want to show you something else. So this is a little extra thing too. Oh, and when you do that, make sure you add the image, group it, so that when you move things, it moves everything. All right, now maybe if you like to make clip art and icons and all kinds of little fun things, Magic Grab will be your friend. All right, so I'm going to delete this. I'm going to bring this here. Okay. All right. So cute, huh? All right. So we are going to Magic Grab these. And let's see if it works. I figured the brush would probably be the best. And well, my bad. This one, it takes it all. This one only takes her. Okay, so not a problem. Not a problem at all. What I am going to do now is I am going to, because I kind of want these to be like clip art that I could use on, sales pages, stuff like that. I remember, I don't know if you guys know this, it's been around for a little bit, but you can use different sizes in your design. I am going to go over here And you could put in a sheet, you can put in a doc, your presentation, a whiteboard, social video, everything here. I am going to pick social media, and I just need a square-ish. We're going to go custom, just because. I'm just going to go 500 by 500. Or no, let's do 1,000 by 1,000. I might use these. All right. We're going to create a new page. And we're going to, and now we can click this and just add a page. And it's going to add this size because that's it, what I'm asking it to. And then I'm going to get rid of this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to magic grab and then put them each in its own image. Okay. So okay. Let's see here. Will it take out the background? A little bit. A little bit. If you don't want to duplicate it and just take it from this that's perfectly fine too. You could just duplicate it and move it to another page, or you just press this button that says grab, and it will literally just take it off. Oh wow, did you see that? That's scary. Let's go over here. All right, so I see that the colors are coming up. I'm wondering if, oh, see, I clicked on the color and I can change the color background. That's nice. And mover can see what happens when I try to do that. And then if I want to erase all that, um, you know, we could try, but that's so. Um, would just keep the I would just keep the background in. Oh, what happened to my thing? I am just gonna go back. There we go. Okay, we'll try this one more time. Um, let's see. Edit, Magic Grab. That is so scary looking. Um, okay, so let's go ahead and do this one. Okay, this will be a little interesting. Let's see what it does. Grab. We'll just grab that over into the other thing. And then if I wanted to change the background to match, look at that. Now, is it perfect? No, it's not, but I'm with that. Now, if I kind of want to do this and, because I want the light bulb in there, so we are going to go like this, and I'm going to position this in the middle, center, and then I'm going to come over here to the design because I want to put this color behind. All right, so I am going to click on the color. Now you can go over here and click on it, on the color that you think it is, but it really isn't. But this is how you match this. You're going to click on add new color. You're going to click on the eyedropper, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to click on that. Bam, bam. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Yep, I know. You're welcome. All right, there you have it. A couple ways you can use Magic Grab. There's so many ways to use Magic Grab. It is a pro feature though. But hey, go pro. All right. Thank you. And if you liked any of these hacks that I have shared, please join my Facebook group, Canva Creations with Pam. If you just look that up, you'll find it. It is called Design and Sell Digital Products with Pam.